Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Royal. So today, as you can see, we're creating something really beautiful. But before we continue, please subscribe. Thank you. So first up, we are going to be creating a high puff bun with some braided twist with it. So as you can see, I have my thread. I am using this format because I needed the braid to show. So this is a hair, like an afro puff hair I got some months back. So I just brushed it and then I'm using it on here. As you can see, I have like three, but for this hairstyle we'll be using just one. You just use your bobby pin, you pack it at the top and then you do it this way, okay? This hair has stayed with me for a while and I love that it's brown. So I just went back to my hair bag and I packed some of this and I just kept rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling. At first I was discouraged, but I was like, you know what, I think the grease is gradually showing. So I just kept rolling and it started coming out beautifully. I'll just keep doing this until I am done with this. Now just take an extra one to just seal it in properly, right? Make sure you pick it this way, then you start packing it little by little, gradually until you have your desired puff. Okay, trust me, this is a very simple hairstyle. You use your bobby pin, you cling it at the top, make sure you're really careful with it. If you're still not satisfied, you use another bobby pin to cling it, then you use your comb to just adjust it, so it stays firm. And here's my petals gel again, guys. One of my favorite things to do is to style my edges. So I'm just going to style my edges like so. Make sure it comes out really beautiful. Enjoy yourself while you're doing it. This is called the baby hair. You can style it anyhow you want. And you just make minor adjustments, and that is all. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Would you be trying it? Let me know in the comment section. But come on, look at this beauty. It's giving goddess. It's giving don't mess with me. If this is one hairstyle that you'll be trying, please state it in the comment section. I can't wait to hear, and tell me what's your favorite thing about this style. What stood out for you? Share this to that girl. I really enjoyed making this video, guys. I really did. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, take care. I love you. Mwah.